if any brand is seeing this and would like to collaborate, kindly please, I would love to. ट्रेन में कौन लाके देगा मुझे? हर लड़की के पास होता है यार, ये क्या ही बात कर रहे हो? हाँ,
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
hello guys, here it's me Shefta Khan and welcome back to my channel. So the ones those who are new here, let me tell you, I make videos on lifestyle, haul, makeup, vlogs and much more. So this is one store where you can get everything, I guess. Yeah. So I know long time no see because my pre-boards were going on. I just wanted to compromise. And yeah, I didn't shot any video and so this I didn't edited it. So yeah. So here I am. Alright guys, so this video is all about what's in my travel bag. Like, yeah, I am traveling. Finally I'm getting to travel after 1 year. I mean, in COVID period, I just planned so many things. I'll go there, but I end up not going anywhere. Yeah. But that's okay. Finally, I'm traveling, and where I'm traveling, it's a very special place, and I'll be meeting someone really special. She is my life. Yeah, and उसका बहुत ही special day है जो हम celebrate करने जा रहे हैं. You'll get to see in my travel video, and वो video इसके बाद आएगा, so do not miss that video at all. And yeah guys, without further ado, let's get started. So this is how my travel bag looks like, and so guys, I have my own bag so that I can keep my stuff, like be it makeup or be it snacks, because मम्मा का पर्स खोलोगे तो खोलने के साथ साथ आप बाकी चीज़ें गिरा देते हो, ऐसा मेरी मम्मा कहती है. सो इट्स बेटर कि मैं अपना सामान अलग रखूँ, सबसे अलग, एंड आई कैन ओपन इट एनी टाइम आई वांट. और ऐसा नहीं है कि मम्मा प्लीज़ चाबी दे दो, मैं अपना बैग खोलना, मुझे सामान लेना है. नो. So it's better to have a separate bag when you are traveling. So the first thing going inside is my laptop. Why I take this along is because I have to edit your videos. Yes, मेरे को videos edit करने पड़ते हैं. Moreover, I have to watch my subject videos because of course boards are just around the corner and I can't miss even a single day. So I prefer carrying this laptop so that it's easy for me to study and not to take like those bundle of books. Rather take this laptop. And yeah, so this is going inside. Alright guys, second thing which I like to keep in my travel bag is my notebook and a pen. First of all, I like using gel pen, not a ball pen, because हमारे टीचर ने बोला था that's not good for your writing. And so this diary, because I really like to jot down my day, and moreover I really like to write it if I'm not feeling good then also, and if I'm feeling good then also. Yeah, this is going inside. The third thing which is very close to my heart and is journal. This, if you remember guys, and if you're following me, then you know that I have made a separate video on how to make a journal in just 10 rupees, wherein you can customize it with your own photograph. How cool is that? So if you haven't watched that video, I'll mention the link in the description box so you can go and check it out. कहेंगे शेफ्ता अभी तो नोटबुक रखिए, then why this journal? Journal is something कि मैं अपने सिर्फ हैप्पी मोमेंट्स लिखना चाहती हूँ उसमें. समथिंग जो बहुत ही स्पेशल हुआ है आज पूरे दिन में, आई रियली लाइक टू जॉट इट डाउन. बट डायरी इज समथिंग जिसमें मैं सब कुछ लिखती हूँ, लाइक द होल डे मैं पूरा लिख देती हूँ कि ओके आज ये हुआ है, मैंने ये खाया है, एंड आई रियली लाइक दैट स्टफ. सो उस टाइप से आई यूज़ दैट डायरी. बट फॉर जर्नल इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक समथिंग important that has happened in my life, and so I write it down. This is definitely so cute, and if you want to make your own, then you can definitely check out that video. That's the link in the description box, of course, and I'll open it and show it to you guys. this is how it looks like. And wait, I haven't written it much because I've just started. There are colorful pages in between and plain pages also, so you can customize it yourself, and that is why I haven't included much of it right now, but I'll do it later on. So this is going inside. Now the fourth thing which I can't live without, and हर लड़की के पास होता है यार, ये क्या ही बात कर रहे हो हाँ. So it's my makeup bag. Oh, I'm so obsessed with makeup these days. I don't know, पहले मैं makeup बिल्कुल नहीं यूज़ करती थी सच्ची, but these days I really like to try on with the stuff, with the products, with new launches, and yes, if any brand is seeing this and would like to collaborate, kindly please, I would love to. Well, let me show you some which are very important in my makeup bag. I'm not showing you everything. Want to see my makeup bag? Comment it down below and then I'll show you everything I have. So the very important is my comb, and can you see the space between? Like, this is needed. Can you see my hairs? वो ऐसे कंट्रोल में नहीं आते हैं. This comb is really needed. Then secondly, I use my lip balm. I always use like a VLCC lip balm, but right now I just couldn't find, so I'm taking this one. Then I have my aloe vera gel and Livon to control my hair and shimmer brick. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. It's full, but अभी के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. Even keeping a book that's a novel, and it's one of my favorite novel. That's a Dog Diaries, and it's a skating sensation. It's amazing. It's totally amazing, and trust me guys, मेरा personal choice क्या होता है जिसमें doodling हो रखी होती है. Otherwise I feel like books are boring until you read it, but if there is a doodle, I just can't wait. I just can't control myself to read it. So this is what I'm talking about. I really like doodle novels. एंड रात में ना जब लाइक नेट नहीं चलता है, जब सॉन्ग्स बोरिंग लगते हैं और जब कुछ नहीं होता है, देन शिफ्ता रीड्स अ नॉवेल. या एंड देन द नेक्स्ट अप आई एम हैविंग इज a sipper. Like, I'm so obsessed these days with the sippers. I know they are in trend. I'm taking this sipper along. मुझे बहुत पसंद है and I really love this. This is just so cute, and it's a unicorn one. I'm like not such a big fan of unicorns, but I personally loved it the way it is. And just see this, there's a unicorn sitting here. So this zipper is going inside. Then after this guys, I really like to keep munchies, and here they are. Like, there's always a chocolate in my bag, always, and some eating snacks too, because I crave a lot at night. पता नहीं, मैं रात को उठ के भी मुझे भूख लगती है. सो ऐसे घर पे तो मैं डायरेक्ट किचन में जाती हूँ और कुछ बना लेती हूँ, बट ट्रेन में कौन ला के देगा मुझे. ओनली माई बैग इज़ अ सेवियर. चॉकलेट, वेल मैं इनकी एडवर्टीजमेंट नहीं कर रही हूँ. सो आई विल बी पुटिंग इन माई ट्रैवल बैग माई गॉगल्स. वेट, आई विल शो यू देम. दे लुक एब्सोल्यूट stunning. The first one is my favorite, and I really love, I truly love goggles. Even if it's not required, then also I wear them. Here it goes, and I'll show you guys. Mere baal. It looks like beat down celeb coming in. I really like this goggle. Well, I got this from Delhi, I guess. Yeah, last time when I went to Delhi, I got these goggles from there. I don't know from where I got this because I actually shopped a lot of stuff. If I'll remember later on, then I'll mention in the description box. The second goggles I have navy blue one, and I guess इन्हें काफ़ी time हो गया मेरे साथ रहते रहते. So looks really good on me, and but it's not complementing with my look right now because pink and blue no. So and yes guys, of course my cell phone from which I'm recording right now, and my mic of course from which I'm recording right now. So these are all the stuff which is always in my travel bag, and I am likely to take them along with me while I'm traveling. Of course after 1 year I'm doing this, but that's okay. Okay guys, so this is all for this video, and I really enjoyed filming this, and moreover I really love to talk to you guys. Of course when I upload a video, you guys comment down below and it feels so amazing. Well, if you just enjoyed it, kindly like, share and subscribe if haven't, please, and comment down below. Okay guys, and see you in my next video. And yes, if you're not connected with me on Instagram, then please go and follow me out there because ये वीडियो बाद में जाएगी, बट मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे अपडेट करती रहूँगी. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू नो इट बिफोर दिस वीडियो रीच टू यू गाइस, then kindly go and follow me out there guys. So I'll take the leave. See you guys in my next video, and toodles.